Hi there and welcome back to Fallout. I'm Byron and we are still in the glow, but there's one level that we haven't been to yet. Level 5. So, let's go there. Okay, so now those robots, no, we have deactivated them. They will probably not be active. Because we used, wait, that's not cool. I deactivated the robots. In the mainframe, remember? Why the fuck are you using your fist? Well, terminate, terminate! Ian, you have a gun. That's the problem when they have more than one weapon eventually. The AI isn't smart enough. So let's heal up a bit. Reload our pistol. And continue shooting. Shit! What kind of hit was that? 40 fucking points. Ian, you're so stupid. Also move a little bit to the side so that the other robot can't hit me. Sentient robot was critically hit in the CPU for 29 hit points. Sparks fly and robot goes momentarily out of control. Good. Means I can go back in here. Reload. And heal up some. He punches the robot and still does 6 damage. I hit the dog. How could I hit the dog at that distance with 200% skill in small guns? Really though. Okay. And you're dead. Well, deactivated, I guess, is the term. Yeah, he had a sniper rifle. He hit. In German, a robot is male. Der Roboter. So didn't he die at all? Did you have the guns or did you have... You had the guns. And you had the ammo. Also use your best weapon. Okay, we don't need to do anything with you, but we could save after that battle. See, because I don't want to do that on every goddamn level, I killed the robots first. Okay. Okay, what did we get? Alpha experiment tape. Prototype pan-immunity virion project. In the hopes of countering the current bacteriological and viral agents employed by the Chinese government, we have manufactured a virus fragment consisting of ribonucleic acid, RNA, encased in a protein lipid sheath. This virion contains a specifically arranged sequence of radiated amino acids, RAA, that are capable of attaching to acid and force a non-replicating mitosis to occur. The resulting host cell is left with a quadruple helix DNA structure. Early tests are promising. The virion easily penetrates the cell membrane and attaches directly to the host DNA in the nucleus. Mitosis of the structure begins almost immediately. Cytokinesis is prevented by controlling the disposition of the kinetochore fibers during anaphase. The entire mitotic cycle lasts approximately 2 hours, although phenotypical expression of the new structure may take days or weeks to become apparent. In addition to an effective immunity to bacterial and viral agents, the quad helix structure is almost entirely immune to errors introduced in base pairing during replication due to multiplicity of the base sequence. Radiation-exposed tissue showed no mutation in the base sequence, and protein synthesis mechanisms in the ribosomes were unimpaired. Over 80% of the samples tissue contained quad helix DNA. Most affected was muscle and bone tissue as well as secretory cells, as these cells seem most receptive to virion. Sensory cells are the least affected. Surprisingly, even normally non-replicating nerve cells and non-somatic cells were induced to begin mitosis. Further experiments will be necessary to determine the results of these cells. Okay. Moving on. Oh, combat armor. Shit. Here we get combat armor. Yeah, 20 pounds. Let's give that to someone. Sadly, they don't equip armor. In Fallout 2, they do equip armor. Not in Fallout 1 though. Over there, I mean your party members, obviously. Okay, we have a plasma rifle. I don't need any of that. I think the... Did you have them or did Ian have them? Ian has them. Okay. Would you be so kind and move out of the way? More ammo. Fucking Gatling gun. Yeah, I thought so. I should have brought, I don't know, a car or something. Shopping cart. This is gonna be a long selling session in the hub. I'm gonna do this between videos. Really? Oh, you used the stim pack. Have a new one. And of course you close it again. This is a stealth boy here. Or you can also use the cursor keys to move down. A Robco Stealth Boy 3001 personal stealth device generates a modulating field that transmits the reflecting light from one side of the object to another. It weighs 8 pounds. It makes you invisible for a while. Good. If you're not that good at sneaking, add more guns. And some ammo for you. I'm not giving you the... Wait, didn't we have... that did the second Geiger counter go. Let us take a look at that here. We didn't use that yet. What is new? Delta experiment tape. The military has deemed it necessary for us to research further in depth the effects of wave technology upon living organisms. We have taken light and sound as the basis of our studies. By manipulating the amplitude of the light waves and magnifying the frequency, we have been able to get lasers which will cut through a few feet of steel. Unfortunately, the power to do such a task has not been fully developed. We have other scientists looking into this. Nothing in here though, right? No. So let's open this one. Is there anything here? Suspension tanks, lots of... This is open though. Several are open. And there's another one. What did we get? Alpha, Delta... FEV experiment tape? I guess that's it. Oh, this is a lot of text. Major Barnett has ordered experiments with batch 10-011 of Panimmunity virion, which has been renamed FEV for Forced and Evolutionary Virus. His main concern is with the side effects of the quad helix structure rather than its main effect of replicative stability. He believes the new structure is the next logical step for mammalian nuclei. Experiments with single-cell organisms is a great success. What? Experiments with single-cell organisms are a great success. While their basal metabolisms appear unchanged, their immunity to infection and radiation is exceeding all earlier expectations. Addendum, chronoplasts seem unaffected by the virion. Further experiments on plant cells have been cancelled by order of Major Barnett. So this was March the 21st, now it's May the 9th, all 2075. We infected several species of flatworm with FEV. Within hours, the worms had increased in size by 28% and 39 separate viral contagions were resisted by the populations. Each sample was allowed to continue for several generations and a new DNA structure was successfully passed on to worms' progeny, although only asexual reproduction was noticed in the samples. Experiments with insects have had less success. Major Barnett has postponed his experiments until further notice. Log date June the 30th, 2075. Several lab strains of white mice have been infected successfully with FEV. Again, an increase in size was noted within hours, and after 9 days, all mice had stabilized at 31% larger than the control group. This section revealed that the most increase in size in striated muscle tissues and certain internal organs, such as the liver, heart, and kidneys. In a surprising finding, the infected mice were found to run mazes in less than half of the time of the control group. More testing will be needed to confirm this finding as significant. Log date November the 9th, 2075. We have infected 218 rabbits with FEV. Half of the subjects were implanted with electrodes to monitor EEG activity before and after the infection. Increased electrical activity in the brain was noted in 3.2 seconds on average after injection. Again, the typical size increase was noted. However, increased aggression and posturing, especially among males, was noted as well. Sacrifice and perfusion yielded brain tissue that showed increased dendritic connection, especially in the limbic system and frontal cortex. Log date January 12, 2076. With batch 11-011, we have improved the mitotic cycle efficiency by 43%. We have infected 53 raccoons with the new strain. In addition to the now expected size increase, behavioral tests confirmed an increase in intelligence and manual dexterity by 19 points on the Schuler-Cup index. Unfortunately, several subjects escaped confinement and had to be hunted down and dispatched. Major Barnett ordered the remaining subjects terminated. 2 pairs were unaccounted for. Log date May the 13th, 2076. We have spliced several new gene sequences supplied by Major Barnett's advisory team into FEV. With batch 11-101A, we infected 23 dogs of both pure and mixed breed, and all experienced nearly immediate growth. The larger size was accompanied with increased aggressiveness, while no significant intelligence increase was noticed. We plan to attempt crossover of all 92 allele pairs with batch 11-011. All subjects were terminated after 14 weeks of study. Log date October 4th, 2076. The crossover has been completed and 15 chimpanzees were infected with batch 11-111. Growth and immunity levels are unprecedented. Attempts to induce cancers in the subject through radiological and chemical agents were not successful. Increased aggressiveness has led to isolating the subjects. 2 subjects suffered violent epileptic seizures and died. All remaining subjects terminated. Log date January 7, 2077. Major Barnett has ordered transfer of all FEV research to Mariposa military base. He plans to continue the project experiments on volunteer subjects. I am against this and would like it noted here that research on human subjects is not recommended by myself or my staff. Okay. This, well, it was to be expected to go that way, but it's not good. Also, I'm wondering, is something in here though? Wasn't there an elevator over here as well? So now we're on the 5th level. Let's go to the 6th. Oh no, this is just the red elevator over there. Okay, so we go up to the 3rd. And now we move over here. Can't get there. Now we can. This is like... The AI couldn't figure out the way from all over there. Or AI is a pathfinding, I mean. And we go up to the 1st level. And leave. Yeah, something dropped. A bomb. Or maybe a rocket or something like that. Okay, let's get out of here. It's a loser, a dead loser. I'm a loser, baby, so why don't you kill me? Okay, we are now away from this whole thing. Let's take a look at... We still have a radiation resistance of 100%. This is good. Let's use the Geiger counter to take a look at what it says. It says this is the interface bar, or maybe this. I mean, you have to like put it in your hands and use it as an item. But really, this is an interface bar? Oh, I have nothing. Good. Okay, I will tell you what. I will end the video now. Between the videos, I will go to the hub and sell all the stuff that I collected. It's a bunch. And we will see each other in the Brotherhood again, or rather outside of the Brotherhood. They should be happy now. So, yeah. 16, eh? So, thanks for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.